Hi, my name is Miss Maria, and we are going to be showing you how to create a sculpture of an animal. For today's project, we chose a dinosaur from this book. It's the Brachiosaurus. So we're going to be looking at a picture of it. You can choose any animal. It does not have to be a dinosaur. It could be something from your favorite book, like a wild animal. But today we're doing a dinosaur. So we're going to leave it open to this page so we can look at the shape of the dinosaur. And I'm going to have Rubencito, my son, help me make this dinosaur. So what we're going to do first is we're going to start creating the body. And we're using, for our materials, newspaper, masking tape, and later on we're going to use paint. You can use any material like markers, or if you want to use different fabrics to glue on the body, that's fine too. But we're using paint. So you want to show us how to make the body?
Mommy, can we paint?
We're going to paint the dinosaur after we make it. So how did we make? We grab our newspaper and we make a ball for the body. So you want to do that for us? Remember, make the ball. Yep. Just crumble it up. That's all we're doing. Good job. That's a good ball. Now we want a nice big dinosaur. Can you hold this so we can cut some tape together?
It's tape.
And we're gonna, for right now, we're using smaller pieces of tape. It makes it easier to shape onto the body of the dinosaur. However, if you want to use bigger pieces of tape, it'll work just as fine. It just won't look as great. Here, I'll cut the tape and you put it on the dinosaur. The next part we're going to be doing is the neck and the head. And for that, you are going to kind of bend your newspaper like forming a snake. And the other part, we're going to make a ball for the head. So our dinosaur is going to be pretty big because he is a long neck. We have the head, we have the neck, and we're going to be forming a leg. So I can show you what that looks like. So for the leg part, we're going to use a smaller part, and we're going to open it up and kind of form a foot. And we're going to just wrap it around our dinosaur and form our leg. Good job, Ruben.
Mine, you want to be with a bigger leg.
You want to make one big leg?
Yes. Mama, yours is bigger and mine is bigger.
Yeah, they're both really big. And then we're just going to tape it on there.
Yes.
And of course, this dinosaur has 4 legs, so we're going to make this 4 times. And after we're done forming the legs, we are going to tape the entire dinosaur in tape so we can paint him. And then we can add other details like a smiley face, or we can paint on some spots because maybe our dinosaur has spots. So we are almost completely done taping the entire dinosaur. You want to help me finish taping it?
Yes.
There you go. Give you some tape.
Yeah, I want to put it over here.
And it doesn't have to be all perfect. Just try to get most of it so that when you're painting, you don't see so many of the letters that the newspaper has, and it's able to cover up the entire thing. All right. So as you can see, we have our Brachiosaurus.
Mommy, now can we paint now?
And in the picture, the dinosaur is grayish color, but we are going to go and paint it a rainbow color. We also brought a napkin to clean our brush really well. So when we're painting, we're going to lay down our dinosaur.
Mommy.
Yes, here you go. So go ahead, pick the color that you want.
So I want blue.
Okay, so we're gonna do blue first, and we're gonna start painting his stomach.
I think so. I want
So
this.
when you're changing colors, you have to wash your brush. And when you're washing your brush, you dip it in the water, and then you bring it out. And we put it on the napkin to get off most of the water and paint. And then we go into the next color.
I want green.
All right. Make sure to spread it around.
I want
It
yellow.
also helps to hold the brush like you would a pencil. So closer.
Look it.
Yes, it's dirty down there. Don't worry, the yellow is yellow. No, go ahead, paint. See, it's yellow.
I want white.
And you can paint your animal however you want. Whatever animal you're creating with the newspaper, it's always good to start off with the body, and the body is just, like I said, a ball of newspaper, and then the legs are usually snake cylinder type shapes, and the head is also a ball. So whether you're creating a dog or a dinosaur or a lion, it always is good to start off with the ball for the body, and then you attach legs, the head, which is also a circle, and we'll come back when the dinosaur is all colored. So this is our finished product. Our Brachiosaurus is all painted. We did stripes here. We did all sorts of rainbow colors on it. So we got orange. He made purple, so we got purple in some areas. We're gonna wait for it to dry, and then with a marker, we're just gonna fill in and do some eyes and the mouth. But other than that, we're pretty much done. And this was a really fun project. Rubencito, did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was fun.